Today, sustainability has become a leading concern of the planet. Energy demand and environmental instability are leading the world towards alternative power sources. Aligning with SDG 7, Omera Solar is motivated to become an active change maker in carbon emission reduction from the platform of Bangladesh, striving towards the country's vision of achieving 10% of total energy from renewable energy sources by 2030. Tarasima Apparels Limited is one of the largest compliant apparel manufacturers in the country, a concern of BITOPI Group. Tarasima has bagged several awards for compliance, supply chain, export excellence, and the most prestigious LEED Platinum certified factory. Considered as one of the top green factories in the country, Tarasima has now joined hands with Omera Solar and successfully stepped towards renewable energy. Tarasima installed and commissioned 3.57 megawatt grid-tied rooftop solar system using 3.5 lakh square feet of roof area. This state-of-the-art solar system on average is generating 11 megawatt hours of electricity daily. Every year, this accumulates to 4,112 megawatt hours of electricity. Using 6,162 pieces of 540 watt peak and 448 pieces of 545 watt peak half-cut high-efficiency monocrystalline PV modules and smart PV inverter with artificially intelligent remote monitoring installed by Omera Solar, a seamless grid integrating compact power solution for Tarasima, harnessing sun's irradiation and converting to clean electricity. From this solar system, Tarasima is getting both financial and environmental benefits yearly, amounting to 31 million taka on their electricity bill, while reducing CO2 emission up to 1,954 tons. This Go Green approach of Tarasima Apparels Limited has been a role model for various factories around Bangladesh, and many are now inspired to tag hands with Omera Solar for this highly appreciated state-of-the-art solar system that will ensure a green and clean environment. With the reduced utility cost of business infrastructures, rooftop solar system is the wheel to move towards the nation's vision of sustainability. Omera Solar, go green today for a brighter tomorrow.